Are you ready to future-proof your career in tech? With the job market evolving and new technologies emerging every year, learning the right programming languages can open doors to amazing opportunities. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 programming languages to master in 2025, their applications, and why they're so in demand. Let's get started. First on the list is Python, the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. Known for its simplicity and versatility, Python is perfect for beginners and experts alike. Why learn Python? Data science and AI, Python dominates in fields like machine learning, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch make it a go-to for AI projects. Web development, with frameworks like Django and Flask, you can build powerful web applications quickly. Automation and scripting, Python is also great for automating repetitive tasks, making it a favorite among IT professionals. Plus, Python's massive community and extensive library support mean you'll never run out of resources to learn and grow. Whether you're aiming for a role in AI, data science, or software engineering, Python is an absolute must-learn. Next up is JavaScript, the backbone of web development. If you've ever browsed the internet, chances are you've interacted with JavaScript-powered websites. Why learn JavaScript? Front-end development, JavaScript is essential for creating interactive and dynamic websites using frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. Back-end development, with Node.js, JavaScript isn't just for the front end, it's also a powerful tool for building scalable server-side applications. Full-stack development, combine JavaScript for both front-end and back-end development to become a full-stack developer, one of the most in-demand roles in tech. Whether you're creating stunning user interfaces or building robust server-side systems, JavaScript is a must-have in your toolkit. Looking for a language that's fast, efficient, and built for the cloud? Meet Go, also known as Golang. Created by Google, Go is gaining massive popularity for its speed, simplicity, and scalability. Why learn Go? Cloud computing, Go is widely used in cloud-native applications and platforms like Kubernetes and Docker. Concurrency, thanks to its lightweight coroutines, Go is perfect for building applications that handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Microservices, Go's performance and scalability make it a favorite for microservices architecture. If you're interested in DevOps, back-end development, or cloud solutions, Go is a language worth mastering in 2025. Rust is a language that's all about performance and safety. Known for its memory safety guarantees without a garbage collector, Rust is a favorite for systems programming. Why learn Rust? Systems programming, Rust is ideal for building operating systems, browsers, and game engines. In fact, parts of the Firefox browser are written in Rust. Security, Rust's focus on memory safety makes it a go-to for applications where security is critical. Developer-friendly, despite being a low-level language, Rust's syntax and tooling make it surprisingly pleasant to work with. With its strong focus on speed and reliability, Rust is perfect for anyone interested in systems-level programming or performance-critical applications. No matter how advanced technology gets, one thing remains constant: data is king. And SQL structured query language is the backbone of data management. Why learn SQL? Database management, SQL is essential for interacting with relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. Data analysis, whether you're a data scientist, business analyst, or software engineer, SQL is crucial for extracting insights from data. Ubiquity, almost every tech job involving data requires a working knowledge of SQL. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, SQL is a timeless skill that every developer should know. While we've covered the top 5, there are a few honorable mentions worth exploring based on your interests. Kotlin, perfect for Android development and fully supported by Google. Swift, a must-learn if you're building apps for Apple's ecosystem. C, still a powerhouse in game development, embedded systems, and high-performance applications. Each of these languages has its own niche, so consider your goals and choose accordingly. And there you have it, the top 5 programming languages to master in 2025. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or looking to expand your skills, these languages offer incredible opportunities across industries. Which programming language are you most excited to learn? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and career advice. Thanks for watching.